Hello everyone, Dajahaw! This is me again, Mrs. Cheng. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to cook sausage fried rice or 香肠炒饭. Let's start! So this sausage fried rice is my own recipe. But then, sabi nga ng mga pamangkin ng asawa ko, kalasa daw ng tinitinda sa 7-Eleven. So for this recipe, I'm gonna use Taiwan sausage. So ibig sabihin, ang magiging taste ng ating fried rice is depende sa kung anong klaseng sausage ang ating isasahog. Here are the ingredients of our sausage fried rice. Cooking oil, Taiwan sausage, pinakuluan ko na ito and then thinly sliced. After frying, separate lang natin. And then, next ingredient is scrambled egg. And then, pagluto na din yung egg, separate lang din natin. Other ingredients are carrots, garlic, onions, cabbage, 3 pork cubes for seasoning, pepper, oyster sauce, cooked rice, and onion leeks. So easy to cook, right? I bet you will crave for this after watching this video. So if you are new here on my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!